Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Kakadoodles. Matagal tayong walang upload, but today's video, I will show you a method that will help you get Hanabi Moonlit Ninja Epic Skin from the event. At the end of this video, you will see the total spent is only 1,275 pesos. So on the first day of event, April 15, this is what you need to do. You have to buy the weekly diamonds to complete the daily recharge token event. You will get, on the first day you will get 30 diamonds and total of 210 diamonds for 1 week. You need to top up 99 pesos. You also need to purchase weekly elite bundle. You will get 55 diamonds and that's 49 pesos. And another top up is the snowman daily bundle. That's 55 diamonds and you will spend 49 pesos. So sa first day natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 140 diamonds. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin gawin on the first day. First, punta tayo sa event page at gamitin natin yung 50 diamonds to draw for one time para makatipid tayo ng 50%. And after this draw, meron tayong natitirang 90 diamonds. So, meron na tayong isang draw. And then, punta kayo sa daily recharge event at dito nyo na i-claim yung free 1 token from your weekly diamonds top up. So, meron na tayong isang token. Kaya ako inuna yung 50% off diamond para hindi muna natin magamit yung token natin. So, once na na-claim nyo na yung daily recharge event, 1 free token, punta tayo sa mega draw event kung saan gagamitin natin yung 10 diamonds natin para makakuha tayo ng isa pang token. And then another 49 diamonds para makakuha pa tayo ng isang token. So, dapat meron kayong total of 3 free token for the first day. At gagamitin na natin ito para makakuha tayo ng total of 4 draws for the April 15 or the first day of the event. So, at the end of the day guys, ang matitira sa ating diamond from 140 diamonds ang matitira sa atin is 31 diamonds. First day total spent natin is 197 pesos. So on April 16 or bukas, kailangan natin ulit mag-top up. Pero before that, makakuha tayo ng 30 diamonds from weekly bundle na binili natin noong April 15. So, from 31 na natitira, magkakaroon tayo ng additional 30, total of 61 diamonds. Gagamitin ulit natin ito para sa 50% of daily draw. So, total draw natin guys is 5 draw and ang matitira natin na diamonds is 11. And spend natin dyan total is 197 pesos. And then since yung event natin ng daily recharge is daily, April 16 kailangan ulit natin mag-recharge ng 100 diamonds para makakuha tayo ng free token. So pwede kayo ulit bumili ng snowman daily bundle for 49 pesos at makakuha ulit kayo ng 55 diamonds. And yung isa, pwede tayong pumunta sa Koda shop para bumili tayo ng 51 plus 5 diamonds. That is 48 pesos. And then makaklaim tayo ng isang additional token from daily recharge event. So pwede natin yan gamitin for drawing para at the end of April 16 makaka-total draw tayo ng 6 draw. So total spend natin at the end of April 16 is 294 pesos. So meron pa tayong natitirang 122 diamonds at the end of April 16. April 17 guys, makakakuha ulit kayo ng additional 30 diamonds from weekly bundle event na binili natin ng first day. Total is 122 plus 30 is equivalent to 152 diamonds. And ang kailangan natin gawin on April 17 is the same on April 16. Bibili ulit tayo ng weekly snowman bundle, cost 49 pesos at makakuha tayo ng 55 diamonds. And then top up ulit tayo sa Koda Shop ng 51 plus 5 diamonds. That's 48 pesos. And then gagamitin natin yung 50 diamonds natin for 50% off draw. And then total draw natin guys is 7. And then since nag-top up na tayo on April 17, makakulit tayo ng daily recharge 1 free token. So pwede natin yan gamitin again for drawing, and at the end of April 17, ang total draw natin guys is 8 draw. So total diamonds natin for today or April 17 is 213 diamonds. So total spent na natin guys is 393 pesos. April 18, makakakuha ulit tayo ng additional 30 diamonds from weekly bundle. Sa natitira natin guys na diamonds, 213 diamonds plus 30, magiging 243. Gagamitin natin yung 50 diamonds para one time daily 50% off. Total draw is 9. April 18, wala tayong gagastusin. At the end of the day, total diamonds left natin 193. And then on April 19, you will get another 30 diamonds from weekly bundle. So yung natitira natin nung April 18, 193 diamonds plus 30 is equivalent to 233 diamonds. April 19, draw ulit ng 50% off. So on April 19, na kompleto natin yung total 10 draw. So meron tayong high reward after 10 draws, and then total diamonds left natin on April 19, ang matitira sa atin is 173. And then on April 20, makakulit tayo ng additional 30 diamonds from weekly bundle. 173 plus 30 is equivalent to 203 diamonds. April 20, ma-open na po yung promo diamonds. At pwede natin itong magamit for 10 times draw. So kung natapos nyo yung mga daily task nyo previously, dapat meron kayong 800 total, 800 promo diamonds in total. So gagamitin natin yung promo diamonds, 800 plus 200 sa diamonds natin. That's equivalent to 20 draw. So makakuha tayo ng epic skin dyan. High reward, so sana hindi mag-duplicate. Total diamonds natin na matitira after April 20 is 3 diamonds, and that's 6 days. Total spent is 393 pesos pa lang. Yung event guys is until May 8, so meron pa tayong 18 days para makomplete natin yung 40 draw. So yung remaining diamonds you can claim from weekly is 30. So assuming na magre-recharge kayo daily to draw 50% until May 8 from Koda Shop kasi mas mura, that's 47.50 pesos, and if we multiply that for 18 days is makakagastos kayo ng 855 pesos. Ang total diamonds na makukuha ninyo is 56 daily, and imumultiply natin yan sa 18, that's 1,008. So meron tayong total diamonds 1,008 plus yung natitira natin na 33, that's 1,041 diamonds. Ang total diamonds left natin kung nag-draw tayo per day since April 20 daily until May 8, ang total diamonds na makukonsume natin is 900. So may matitira pa tang diamonds na 141 diamonds on May 8. So total spend natin is 1,275 pesos. Yung total draw natin until May 8 is 38 draw. So and on April 24 guys, magkakaroon tayo ng additional 1 free token kasi meron silang event, and pwede natin yan gamitin for drawing. So that's total draw is 39. So on May 8, meron pa tayong natitirang 141 diamonds. So So, pwede na natin gamitin ito for mega draw. Pwede nating bilhin yung 89 diamonds para makakuha tayo ng additional 1 free token para makomplete natin yung 40 draw. So, on 40 draw, based on my research, nakakomplete nila yung epic skin or nagkakaroon sila ng pambili ng epic skin, total of 40 draws. So, assuming na 40 draws lang yung kailangan natin, pesos yung magagastos natin until May 8. Kasi i-abuse natin yung daily recharge 50% off. So, kung may budget ka naman, siguro gastusin mo na on the first day. And I think that will cost you 4,000 pesos. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating method. Pero kung may iba pa kayong method na mas makakatipid, siguro you can put it in the comments so others can check para mas makatipid sila para makuha yung magandang skin. Or kung gusto nyo naman, mas maganda yung kay Guinevere, yun ay legendary skin. So, once again, this is Kakadoodles and thanks for watching. Bye!